Hello and welcome again at stockstobuy channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US based stocks. Today we'll talk about Hancock Jaffe Laboratories, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name HJLI. Well, Hancock Jaffe is actually a company that usually we do not look at those because this is actually truly penny stock, we can call it. Not probably from the price, but from market capacity, it's about 24.5 millions market capacity. So very small company, usually not interested, but since we received a lot of queries asking to analyze it, we did this video today. So in that sense, if you're like a quick scalpel guy with not huge portfolio to play, this is possible to do with Hancock Jaffe, so with HJLI, mainly just riding the volatilities, because it's clear that company is capable to do big spikes with enormously high shadows. And indeed, you can see this is also the case today. We pierced all possible all possible moving averages here. By the way, we have 3 of those depicted at this daily chart. It's moving average 20, 50, and 200, being green, blue, and red lines correspondingly here. So we pierced all of them, and now the price is declining. So all the way from 1750 plus, we are going now to 1074. Really enormous decline, which is normal because it's not really a solid news based, and for such a small company, these volatilities are very normal. 24 millions is nothing for huge companies. So any news, any news expectation, rumor whatsoever, the price is just going high. So how to play here? What can we do? First of all, of course, we need to understand that in general, what we see, this is a Friday, first of all, and this is a huge, enormous shadow, meaning that it is usually very momentumly, very bearish effect. Just don't need to go far, just look at the previous cases with similar spikes and very huge, let's say, shadows here. Also, this was by end of August, or you can see also by mid of June. What happened then? The bullish momentum continues, so next day we go down even lower. Here you can see or there, and then we see a kind of a rebound, and the same here. So nothing says that we will not repeat the same case. So we could do again the rebounds, and in general, if you look the way this stock is being traded, there is of course a clear channel like this. Not at all of today. Maybe the candle will change still because it's yellow white, it's not finished yet. And this, so overall, plus minus, this is the general channel being traded. Let's call it R1, R2, and of course it's declining slightly, and all spikes we see going higher than the channel. So how to play here then? Overall, you can just say, well, RSI doesn't matter because it's very spiky. Also, you saw previously these behaviors. It could really immediately decelerate, so most probably that will be the case again here. If you look at MACD, again, it's technically it's nice. Just by going to plus zone, it did spike. So most probably now again will decline. So those classical parameters has nothing to do here. It's purely waiting for a spike. But you need to wait for a spike from this point of view, taking into account that Monday can be opening with a huge decline, or let's say big volatility, and that volatility you need to pick up. So in that sense, quite simple play, 1-2 days, very short call. And the beauty of it is that although it's about to close, doesn't matter if you're not in time to buy. It's very good to buy in Monday, and most probably the major profit taking and major discussion, major stuff will happen actually Tuesday or next in 2 trading sessions, to be more precisely. So what do we see here? We can clearly see there is a mid channel, kind of, it's a little bit weak, but it can be seen here. And actually everything in this vicinity is now close to moving average 20. This volatility level V1 would be good to buy. So what would be advised, just between moving average 200 until moving average 50, or this V1 line, you just buy. Next day on volatility rides, and if price again by volatility goes all the way below moving average 20, this blue green line, until R2, this would be your second entry position here. And then you buy with 1 and 2 average down, meaning that you split the money you would like to play here on 3. You buy with 1 portion, then you average down with 2 portions according to circles and actually entry positions described here. and then whenever you go high, you just sell. So there is nothing to do with trending. It's just sell immediately. We usually advise 10% and exit because this is normal for multiple technical based, strategy based tradings. But here, of course, volatility could be much higher. But in general, anything in the vicinity of R1 would be a quick sell without going too risky here, and could be a good nice profit. In general, it's a quick pick and leave because company is very small, very volatile, could be happening anything here. So it's just advised to do a small play, just quickly pick it up because it's very obvious repeating pattern all the time. It was the same case in mid of June, the same case in mid of August, so why not to play it again if it's repeating. So with this having said, you can say that's mainly it for HJLI. In general, we look at the stocks with bigger market capacity, usually higher than 1 billion, more technically predictive, but yeah, sometimes we also do this kind of sell the penny, you can call it, small company with still not penny price, but by market capacity, indeed from the area of penny companies. With this having said, that's all for this one. As you can see, we give an analysis from in some time and advice here, although it's very short, but usually we give it from 1 to 5 weeks. This means that you can also watch other videos at our channel that are late up to 5 weeks. So discussion being shown there maybe is just about to happen. So you can just place your price alerts, enter to the positions, make the profit if you like the analysis there. And also please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you didn't do so already. Also please press the bell button, this way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US buy stocks. With this, good luck with HJLI, mainly entry at Monday, exit at Tuesday, and see you at another episodes of Stocks Advisor channel.